Yo, what's up everybody? It is Mystic back with another video. It's been 3 months since I uploaded my first ever video on this channel and I haven't uploaded a video since. That's all going to change now. I'm going to be more consistent. I want to turn this channel into a more informative style channel, talking about airdrops, trading platforms like I did before, news, different type of things in the crypto space. But yeah, since then, my first ever video, I made $94 off that one video talking about Podger, so I'm quite happy. I never logged into my account since. I only logged on yesterday when I seen Pump acquired them and I made $94. So yeah, today we're going to be talking about MOBY, which is an airdrop I found out about today. But first, if you haven't already, go onto Twitter, follow me, go follow all my socials down below. And yeah, let's jump into it, boys. So yeah, today we're talking about MobyScreener. This is their airdrop. They released a token called Moby. If you trade it on their platform, you are able to claim this airdrop, but as you can see, they're automated by Asset Dash. So you might not know MobyScreener, but the chances are you will know Asset Dash. This is the original way for traders to claim back money from trading on Solana. So this is what I used to use back in the day. I've used so many times and claimed so much money. So if you just interacted with this platform Asset Dash alone, you're eligible for the MOBY airdrop. I tried to look up videos online about this when I first heard about it. I got sent it today on Telegram. I couldn't find any videos, so I said I'll make a video about it once I learn a little bit more about it. So I didn't even have to connect my wallet to claim this airdrop. All I had to do was sign in with my email I signed up with on Asset Dash and I claimed the airdrop. So I'll leave the link below to click and bring you to the app. But once you log into the app, you don't need to use your wallet. You just log in the app with your Gmail and yeah, you'll get the airdrop. How I found out I was eligible was I went onto my email. So yeah, I will leave the video here of me going into my email. I typed in Moby and boom, it popped up. I knew exactly which email I needed to log into and I got my code. You'll get a code on email, but you can also log into the Asset Dash app and go into the inbox and you will see the code. But yeah, once you get your code, you have to click the link below. It will bring you to download the app and that's the only way you can claim the airdrop from the actual trading app itself. Also, don't just claim the airdrop. I think you are incentivized to trade on there. You get fees back for trading with their platform. You also get referrals if you want to refer people. It's not just claiming the airdrop, it's an actual trading platform similar to like Pump or GMGN and stuff like that. So yeah, they do have a link here which can bring you to their trading platform on PC, but to claim the airdrop you need to use their mobile app, which I'll leave the link below. And yeah, just go to their mobile app, get that code from Asset Dash app or get it from your emails. Type the code in there and you'll see how much you will be able to claim. Myself personally, I got $220 and I think I have another account as well that I'm going to try log into and see how much I got there. But yeah, it's not too bad just for waking up randomly and seeing that, just getting hit up some information about this and yeah, claiming some free money. Who doesn't like free money? So yeah, I literally just said to myself the other day that I'm going to turn this channel into an airdrop channel where I speak about these airdrops. Now I probably will do more than just one in each video. I'll do a couple in each video, but today I just wanted to start off with Moby and let everybody know the sus. So yeah, let me know what you think below. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. Go follow me on all these socials down there. And yeah, leave a like on the video, all of that, man. If you want to see more airdrop videos, more informative videos, let me know. And yeah, I'm excited for the future, boys. We're only getting started here. And yeah, we have a few months left in crypto, maybe even a year. So let's make the most of it, boys. Let's print. Let's farm airdrops and yeah, let's be involved more in the space. So that's what this channel is all about. That's it from me, boys. I have been Mystic. Until the next one, boys. Peace out.